This is a demonstration of the high availability cluster failover of an iSCSI connected set of VMware IOMeter testing. So on the left we've got the NexentaStor cluster that we've got set up, and on the right we've got the IOMeter interface that we're setting up a 120-second test of the three iSCSI connected devices. Here on the vSphere, you can see that we've got the three virtual machines, and I'm showing how their storage is connected over here, and you can see that the LUN is set up as a 1 terabyte LUN with the iSCSI connectivity. And we also have NFS on three other virtual machines that we've done other failover testing on as well. And after the failover testing, I'm going to be doing some basic performance testing just to show the difference. So as we've been running the test here, we're about to the middle of the 120-second test, and it's about time to fail over. And this simulates failing over the virtual IP address. Well, the virtual IP address actually moves from one server to the other, but the heartbeats could do this automatically through either a problem with the JBODs and the hard drives or on the network side of it. And you can see that one server gives up control and the other takes control of it. And during the course of this, of course, the testing is still happening with the IOMeters, which expect to be able to access the shared storage over the iSCSI interface. So flipping back and forth here a little bit, but basically the failover has happened. You can see that from the pings in the lower left hand corner, and I'm also demonstrating here the iSCSI setup of the actual NexentaStor box itself, and I have access to both controllers from this interface, and I'm able to show that this is actually an iSCSI connected interface. We've got the LUNs mapped here, and we have multiple LUNs mapped, but they're tied to each of the iSCSI target interfaces here. One of them is for a set of high performance mirrors, which has also SSD acceleration and mirrored log write acceleration with, and this is the iSCSI name that we used to hook up from the VMware side of things. So we should be just about done here with the IOMeter testing, and there it completes. So we'll go over and take a look at the results, and we expect to see that there was a loss of connectivity during the middle of the testing as we did a failover. So we can see that the average IOPS is not very good, and we can take a look at the actual graphs here and see what happened. And we can see that there was obviously a temporary loss of connectivity, but it was regained, and the storage testing was able to continue. So this is a successful demonstration of failover of the NexentaStor high availability system, and this is part of a blog at Adcap Network Systems.